Okay, let's talk about a huge business expense you can slash, your cleaning supplies.
Are high cleaning costs eating into your budget? It's a real issue in East Rand.
But what if you could save this much? Yeah, we're talking up to 45%.
So what's the secret? It's buying concentrated, industrial-grade supplies in bulk. You've got to stop looking at the price per liter. The real metric is your cost per use. Okay, let's look at the actual math here. The results are pretty surprising.
Get this, the pricier option is actually 62% cheaper to use. Now that's a game changer.
And it's not just about the money. Buying in bulk also seriously cuts down on waste.
Just think about it. One big 200-liter drum takes the place of 40 of these smaller plastic bottles. That is a massive reduction in plastic waste.
So you're slashing packaging waste and the emissions from all those delivery trips.
Okay, so you're sold, but how do you actually make the switch the right way?
First things first, your supplier has to check these boxes. This is non-negotiable.
Next up, storage. You can't just buy in bulk. You have to store it safely.
Here are 4 must-dos for safe storage. Pay attention to your floors, temps, and gear.
A big question people have is, are these bulk supplies actually any good?
Oh yeah, they're often way stronger because they're made for tough commercial jobs.
Okay, but what if you're a smaller business? Does this still work for you?
You bet. You can start with 25-liter containers and still see huge savings.
Right, so how much should you actually order? It's a balancing act, for sure.
It's easy. Just follow these 3 simple steps to figure out exactly what you need. So let's bring it all together. What's the full payoff when you make this switch?
You're getting a whole package. Money saved, less waste, and better performance.
So remember, it's not about cheaper products. It's about smarter spending. So I'll leave you with this. What could your business do with all that extra cash?